Okay, Alex. You don't know it, but you're on the movies now. So why don't you talk to me? Got anything to say?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay, how about this? Are you a chicken? Oh, that you could do better than that. Are you a chicken? That's a chicken, okay. How about a kitty? Here, kitty, kitty. Oh, that's a good kitty. How about a cow? Alex, are you a cow? Are you a cow? Alex, are you a cow? No cow today, huh? How about a turkey? Are you a turkey? That's a chicken, Alex. All right, how about a frog? Are you a frog? Are you That's a chicken again. How about a frog? I want to hear a frog. Alex, you're not being very smart right now. Can you be a frog? Or a cow? That's a cow, yeah. Okay. Now how about a frog again? Can you be a frog? That's not a frog. Alex. Alex, are you a good bird? You want to dance? Yeah. Oh, come on. Let's dance. You want to dance? Come on. Oh, now you're not going to dance. Okay, fine. I saw you dance, though. Are you cold? That was cold. Are you a duck? No, that's a chicken again. Oh, you're no fun. That's it. That's the end of the movie. Say goodbye. Hello? That's a duck.